Hello guys, and welcome to Cooking with Prussia. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make my awesome milkshake that brings all the boys to the yard. Our first ingredient would be milk. Your milk, a banana, yummy potassium, or whatever, and Oreos. This is the most important part, so don't forget the yummy and creamy Oreos. First, we add the Oreo cookies. In they go. Then, we add the banana. Peel that off. Just shove the whole banana in there. Makes it easier, because you don't have to cut it. Yay! Then, you add the milk. The best part. Just try not to fill it up so much. Just get enough in there. Now, I'm going to have to cover the blender with this sushi stuff because Germany lost the cap for the blender. Can you believe Germany? So we cover it, and please pardon the loud sounds. If you can, please turn your headphones down. I will not be responsible for you getting hurt while watching me make my milkshake. Now it's ready to pour into the cup. I have my cup right here. Hope China doesn't get mad though. I kind of stole this cup. And there we go. There's one great cup. You can't really see me, sorry. My table's a bit low. Now, let's fill up these other cups. Now it's time to try our milkshake. That's really good.